Refunding and getting your money back on Uber Eats is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, launch the Uber Eats application on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the profile icon or your account name in the app to access the menu. From the menu, select Orders or Order History to view a list of your past orders. Locate the order for which you want to request a refund and tap on it to open the order details. Within the order details, look for an option to request a refund. This option is basically labeled Help or Get Help. Tap on it to proceed. Select the reason for your refund request from the available option. Common reasons include receiving the wrong item, missing item, or quality issue with the food. Following the prompts to submit your refund request, you may be asked to provide additional details or documentations to support your request, such as photos of the issue. After submitting your refund request, wait for confirmation from Uber Eats. You may receive an email or notification in the app confirming that your request has been received and is being processed. Once your refund request is approved, the refunded amount will typically be returned to the original payment method used for the order. This process may take a few days to reflect in your account, depending on your bank or your payment provider.